What have you blokes been doing all day? So when I got back, obviously, yeah, there's a lot underway in our space. Have a look at this. Far out. Apparently you work faster when I'm not here. Apparently. We're lucky that we have, such a ripper landscape designer in Cos Design. We've got InStyle Gardens that Joel has just an amazing team that just works so hard. And then we've got Macca as well, who's got we've got a great team as well. So it's just, this week is just teamwork makes the dream work, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Teamwork is great, but you have to be able to pay for it. And Luke and Jasmin have expensive plans. The courtyard that has a huge curved daybed and water feature. Out the back on the outdoor deck, there's lounge chairs and a barbecue, a pizza party pit area with pizza oven, floating table and fire pit, and then, of course, the pool and cabana.
Oh, Joe, Count's calling me. Hi, Joe.
Hi, Jazz. Sorry. Just wanted to get an update with your budget for this week.
And I've organised daily check-ins for our teams with Joe from Accounts to make sure that this week our blockheads don't spend more than they have.
Yeah, so you're at 33,800.
33.
And that's with the getting you plastered came back with
Yeah, I know, 15,000. Yesterday, we had a big, long chat with Sam, who runs the plastering team that we use, and it came down to 15, which isn't ideal.
That's still sitting, yeah, about 2 over.
Last night's Mitre 10 winnings was not going to get us over the line. Yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah.
And how's Macca going?
He's busy working. They're really working hard, but I will ask him at the end of today.
Yeah, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
see where you're sitting after yesterday and today. And just make sure that you tell him, you know, mate, we've got to stick to this 11, because anything more, you're working for free if you're sticking around.
Yeah. What do they do? Do they walk out once budget's out and we just leave it as
Pretty
is
much.
for reveal?
Yeah, well, pretty much. As soon as they reach that $11,000,
Yeah.
that they have to walk out.
It is what it is. We might just have to do it without Ian from Thursday onwards. Yeah.
We'll see. Yeah, it's just so hard to compromise and drop features when there's everything sort of moulds into one backyard.
Luke, did you get that?
What'd you do?
Spilled it all over me. Can you get me a bucket, please?
You just leave it. You're not thinking, you're not doing it properly, so just leave it. You obviously just had enough, so just give it here.
Yeah, I love a budget chat. Every night. Yeah, I definitely feeling the stress and pressure. Running out of money, it is hard.
Don't ask me when, but ask me why.
Just go to bed then, Jazz. Far out. You know you. Go to bed. Okay? Okay?
I know places we can go, babe.
4 more days.